Welcome back to A Country Boy Can Cook. Today, crustless pumpkin pie for my wife. She's an insulin-dependent diabetic. I'm going to try to make this. I really don't even have a recipe, but I know from making pies all my life and making custards, like egg custards and stuff. I got the basics down, so we're going to try it in a crustless pumpkin pie. I believe it'll turn out, but we'll see at the end. Pumpkin puree cup going down.